Welcome, Smart Tubers. This is Michelle Denardi Tamburus from Orlando, Florida, to talk to you about a decision from a superior court in Brazil related to the changes in the birth certificate, related to the transgender. The decision that the court should take was related to the changes in the name and the gender that appears in this birth certificate, and if they would rule authorizing the changes without a surgery. Let's check the video and don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comment, because the debate related to this is important to bring to society more awareness about the situations that involve the transgender community. Let's check the video. The Superior Court in Brazil ruled that authorizing the woman to change her name and her gender at the birth certificate, even though she didn't perform the surgery to change and the sex. This decision was based on the personality rights that we have in Brazil at the civil law, and to keep the awareness about the rules related to the autodetermination that a person has when this person finally go assume his or her true personality, because sometimes the psychological identity of a person is different of his or her biological identity. So the court observed the risks that involves a surgery, and it shouldn't be imposed to a person to he or she identify herself or himself as male or female. And I criticize a part of this decision that says about the volitive manifestation of this person, because the questions involve the volitive manifestations related to the agreements, the agreement law, agreement rules, and the best of my knowledge, I know that a person was born in this way. It's not a volitive manifestation. I desire, it's not a thing that, okay, I wake up today and now I'm going to be hetero or homosexual or transgender. No, people just were born this way. So it's not about a desire, a will, but it's about the way they feel like, think like a man or a woman. And sometimes this way a person feels or behavior or feel as a whole is not the same way that this person has in her or his biological formation, biological body. So we have a psychological body and a physical body. And when happens that the identity of both are different, we as a society must respect. Then some people doesn't feel right in their own body, and what we as society should do is keep in our mind that it's not our lives, it's the lives of somebody else that has this conflict between their psychological identity and their physical identity. This decision that the court in Brazil gave was the right one, even though this part about the desire and the volitive manifestation, all right, even though this part, I think everything is great, and in that case, we saw the justice be served. I thank you all to watch this video, to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share with your beloved ones, and hope I can bring more information about different situations and the decisions that we have at the Superior and Supreme Courts in Brazil. See you next time.